Welcome my students, how are you? Today we will complete a question. Last video we solved 13 question. In this video we'll complete, okay? Write all question in your notebook with me. Question 14. Look at here. Which of the following set of numbers are factors of 24? 24 can be divided by 2 and 3, 4, 6, 8. We must choose letter A. We know 24 equal 2 multiply 12, 1 multiply 24. 4 multiply 6, 3 multiply 8. So 24 can divide it by 8 and 3 and 4 and 6 and 2. So we must choose letter A. Again, which of the following set of numbers are factors of 24? We must choose letter A. Factors of 24, 8 and 3 and 4 and 6 and 2, because 24 can divide it by all these digits. Question 15. What if the 3, okay, again, what if 3/5 of 100? 3/5, okay, 3/5, it's meaning 3 over 5 of 100. 3/5 of 100. 100 can divided by 5 equal 20. 100 divided by 5 equal 20. 20 multiplied by 3 equals 60. So we must choose letter D about question 15. Question 15, we must choose letter D. Letter D. What about question 16? Look at question 16. If Tammy's age is 27 years old on 2011 years, okay, and he want to find what's the age at 2003 years. We know from 2003 and 2011 we have 8 years. 8 years, okay, so we must know the years here. So we must subtract from 27, subtract 8 years. 27 subtract by 8, 7 subtract 8, we can't do it. We must borrow 1 from 2, 2 will be 1, and 7 will be 17. 17 subtract 8 equal 9, and we must write 1 here. 1 subtract 0 equal 1. Then its age will be 19 years. He was 19 years. Letter D. We must choose letter D about question 16. Question 16, we must choose letter D. He asked about the age in 2003 is 19 years. We must choose letter D about question 16. What about question 17? Look at her question 17. What is the remainder of 21 divided by 7? Again, 21 divided by 7 equal 3, because 3 times 7 equal 21, and the remainder will be 0. Okay, the remainder will be a 0. So none of this. We must choose none of this. Again, what is the remainder of 21 divided by 7? Look at here, by left hand side. What is the remainder of 21 divided by 7? The remainder will be 0. So we must choose letter D. We must choose letter D about question 17. What about question 18? I am a number. I have 7 in the ones place. I am less than 80, but greater than 70. Again, look at here. Question 18. I am a number. I have 7 in the ones place. Question 18. It was ones and tens. It tell us I have 7 in ones place, and I am less than 80, but greater than this number, less than 80, this number 7 in ones. Okay, look at here, 7 in ones, and this number less than 80 and greater than 70. We must write 77. We must write what? 77, because he asked you or told you about a number have 7 in the ones place and this number less than 80 and greater than 70. The result will be 77. We must choose letter D about question 18. Question 19. What is the reciprocal of 17? Reciprocal of 17 over 25. Okay, who can solve it? 17 over 27. We can convert this fraction. He asked about inverse about this fraction. We must choose 27 over 17. 27 over 25 over 17. 17 over 25. Okay, he asked about inverse. Okay, we must write here 2. The result will be 25 over 17. Letter B, but you must convert this digit. He write 15 over 17 is wrong. Okay, so we must change this digit from 1 to. The result will be 25 over 17. Reciprocal of 17 over 25. The result will be 25 over 17. We must write the inverse of this fraction. Write numerator here and numerator here. Write the inverse of this fraction. Question 20. The number of 3 digits numbers divisible by 6 is. He asked about the number of 3 digits can be divisible by 6. Look at here, 149 can divide by 6 or not. 14 divided by 6 equal to 2 times 6 equal 12, and remember 2. 29 divided by 6 equal what? We know 4 times 6 equal 24. 5 times 6 equal 30. So we must write 4 here because 4 times 6 equal 24. It's nearest to 29. And remember what? Remember 5. Again, 14 divided by 6 equal 2, and remember 2. 29 divided by 6 equal 4. 4 times 6 equal 24, and remember what? Remember 5. 24 to 29, the remainder will be 5. So we can't choose letter A. What about the letter B? 166 divided by 6. 16 divided by 6 equal what? Equal 2. 2 times 6 equal 12, and remainder 4. 46 divided by 6. We know 5 times 6 equals 30, 6 times 6 equals 36, 6 times 7 equals 42, and remainder what? And remainder, we can count from 42 to 46, the result will be 4. So we can't choose letter B. What about 150 divided by 6? 15 divided by 6 equal 2. 2 times 6 equal 12, and remainder 3. 30 divided by 6 equal 5. Okay, so 150 can divide it by 6. So we must choose letter C about question 20. Question 20, we must choose letter C. Okay. Question 21. What is 1004 divided by 2? Okay, what is 1004 divided by 2? We know 10 divided by 2 equal 5. 0 divided by 2 equals 0. 4 divided by 2 equal 2. Then the result will be 502. 502. Letter B about question 21. Question 22. The sum of the least number of 3 digits and largest number of 2 digits. Look at letter A, 101. 1 plus 1 equal 2. 1 plus 1 plus 0 equal 2. And 199. 1 plus 9 equal 10. 10 plus 9 equal 19. 111. 1 plus 1 plus 1 equal 3. 100. 1 plus 0 plus 0 equal 1. He asked about what? The sum of the least number of 3 digits and largest number of 2 digits. Largest number of 2 digits is 19. So we must choose letter B. Letter B. Again, the sum of the least number of 3 digits and largest number of 2 digits. The result will be 19. 19 is the largest number of two digits, about 2 and 3 and 1. It's only, we have 19 only. So we must choose letter B. Okay, the sum of the least number of three digits and largest number of two digits. So we must find the sum of all digits about all the choose number. Letter A, letter B, letter C, letter D. We must choose letter B because 1 plus 9 plus 9 equals 19. 19 is the largest number of two digits. And the sum of the least number of three digits. All number we have three digits, three digits, three digits, but the sum of three digits will be 19 here. Number of two digits, the largest of two digits, 19, about 2 and 19 and 3 and 1. So we must choose letter B. Question 23. If a number has an even number or 0 at its units place, the number is divisible by 3, by 2. Question 23, we must choose 2, letter A. Again, look at here to question 23. If a number if a number has an even number with 0 at its unit place, the number is always divisible by 2, such that 22 can divisible by 2. 22 divided by 2 equal 1, 2 divided by 2 equal 1. And what about 30 divided by 2 or not? 30 divided by 2, because 30 divided by 2 equal 15. 3 divided by 2 equal 1, and remainder 1. 10 divided by 2 equal 5. So it's the rule. You must know this rule in your mind. Okay, question 23 is very important. If a number has an even number with 0 at its unit place, the number is always divisible by 2. We must choose letter A about question 23. What about question 24? 24, okay, 24. I will clear it here. Look at question 24. Where's question 24? Do we know when question 24 is the top? Here. Top question. Yes, here. A number is divisible by 10 if its units digit is 0. Is 0. Again, a number is divisible by 10 if its unit digit is 0. A number is divisible by 10 if its unit digit is 0. Okay, we must choose letter B. Question 25. How many months have 30 days? How many months have 30 days? We know 30 days. 30 days we can divide it by 3. 30 divided by 3 equal 1. So, how many months have 30 days? 30 days. Question 25. How many months have 30 days? He asked about the number. How many? Again, 25. How many months have 30 days? We know we have 4 months. 4 months, okay? 4 months. 4 months contains of 30, each of them 30 days, such that April and June, April, June, September, and November. So we have 4 months. And what about 31 days? We have how many? 7 months. 7 months contains of 31 days. So in this example, he asked about how many months have 30 days. How many months have 30 days? 30 days, 4 months. 4 months. April, June, September, November. And what about 31 months? Will be 7. And 28, 1 month. So, okay, 4 plus 7 equal 11. 11 plus 1 equal 12. So in this example, he asked about how many months have 30 days. We have 4 months. We have 4 months. we must choose letter B. April, June, September, November. For June and September and November. Okay, April, June, September, November. We have 4 months. Each of them has 30 days. So we must choose letter B. Okay, understood at this question? He asked about how many months have 30 days? Question 26. Question 26. What should be 8 to 5? Question 26. What should be 82, 5, and 3 over 7 to get 12? We must know what should be 8 to 5 and 3 over 7 to be 12. To find this number, we must find the difference between 12 and 5 over 5 and 3 over 7. We must find the difference between 12 and 5 and 3 over 7. We must convert from this number to mix it from this improper, this whole number to mixed number. 12 will be 11 and 7 over 7. Subtract 5 and 3 over 7. Okay, 11 subtract 5 equals 6. 7 over 7 subtract 3 over 7. We must write 7 here. 7 minus 3 equals 4. Then the result will be 6 and 4 over 7. 6 and 4 over 7. So we must convert this from mixed number to improper. 6 times 7 equals 42. 42 plus 4 equals 46. So question 26. 26 here we must choose letter D. Okay, what about question 27? Solve the equation x subtract 3 equals 5. Question 27. X subtract 3 equals 5. Then x will be 8. X equal 8. X equal what? X equal 8. Letter C, because 8 subtract 3 equal 5. Question 28. Question 28. Two numbers are in ratio 4 to 5. If the sum of the number is 135, find the number. Okay, in this example, we want to find what? The ratio 4 over 5 equal what? And the sum of two numbers is 135. Okay, look at here. We have 60 and 75. Can you convert this to be 60 and 75 or not? Yes, because 4 multiplied 15 equals 60 and 5 multiplied 15 equals 75. If we add this number 60 and 75, we can add two digits here, numerator and numerator. 60 plus 75 equal what? 5 plus 0 equal 5. 6 plus 7 equal 13. It will be 135. So question 28, we must choose letter 8, 60 and 75. Again, I will solve it again, okay? Pay attention about this question. He asked what? Or he told us what? The two numbers are in ratio 4 and 5. 4 and 5. Okay? 4 and 5. If the sum of two numbers is 135, find the numbers. Look at letter A. Letter A, 60 and 75. 60 and 75. We will choose letter A. Why? Because 60 plus 70 equal 135. He want to find the sum of them equal 135. And 4 multiply 15 equals 60. And 5 multiply 15 equals 75. Okay, if we multiply numerator and numerator by the same number, then the result will don't be difference. This is similar. 4 over 5 equals 60 over 20 is equivalent fraction by multiply 15 numerator and numerator. So we must choose letter A about question 28. Question 29. What number is the 2 over 5 of 5 over 8 of 4 over 7? We want to find of its meaning multiply. Question 29. Its meaning multiply. 2 over 5 multiply 5 over 8 multiply 4 over 7. We can cancel here. 5 divided by 5 equal 1. 5 divided by 5 equal 1. 2 times 4 equal 8. 8 divided by 8 equal 1. 1 times 1 times 1 equal 1. 1 times 1 times 7 equals 7. Then the result will be 1 over 7. Okay. 1 over 7. Again, 2 over 5 of 5 over 8 of 4 over 7 equal 22 space. It's not clear. Okay. He asked about 1 over 7 multiply what? Equal 22. Yeah. If you want to find this number, you must multiply 7 and 22. 7 multiply 22. 2 times 7 equal 14. 4 and carry up 1. 2 times 7 equal 14 plus 1 equal 15. Then you must write 154 about the space. I will solve this question again. Okay, question 29. To pay attention about this question. Okay, it's very important. Question 29, very important because he don't give us the result clear. So I will solve it again. Okay, question 29 here. Pay attention. I will solve it here. The result will be letter A, but I will solve it now again to pay attention. Understood it exactly. خلاص? Okay. This example, 2 over 5 of its meaning multiply. 5 over 8 multiply 4 over 7 equal 22 multiply space. Okay, so we can find this result. This result 2 multiply 4 equal 8. 8 divided 8 equal 1. 5 divided 5 equal 1. 5 divided by 1, 5 equal 1. And the result will be 1 over 7. 1 over 7 equal 22 multiplied by what? We want to find this number. So we can multiply and the result by multiply 22 and 7. 22 multiply what is this example? 22 and number. 22. This number will be multiply what? Equal 22. We must write 154. Okay, this number will be 154 multiply 7th equal 22. So we must choose letter A. Question 30. If the day tomorrow is Sunday, what was it yesterday? We know Saturday come before Sunday. Okay, Saturday, Sunday, Saturday. We must choose Saturday, letter D. Saturday. Again, if the day tomorrow Sunday, what is it yesterday? Again, I will solve it again. Okay, here. This day and this was yesterday and this will tomorrow. He asked about what? Yesterday. Tomorrow will be Sunday. It was tomorrow. But this day will be Saturday. He asked about what? Yesterday. Yesterday will be Friday. Friday. Again, pay attention about this question. If the day tomorrow Sunday. So this day will be Saturday. Then yesterday will be Friday. We must choose letter C about question 30.